Let's see how to convert scientific numbers to normal numbers. Now this number has been converted from scientific to normal but has 2 extra decimal digits. Let's see how to remove the extra 2 decimal places.